Welcome to the demo of KandR 360, a secure and HIPAA-compliant medical coding and billing solution designed to protect patient information while maximizing operational efficiency. Our platform is built with data privacy, accuracy, and compliance at its core. In this video, we share a quick overview of how KandR helps healthcare organizations reduce denials, improve cash flow, ensure compliance, and optimize operational efficiency through proven RCM strategies and experienced leadership. At KandR, we specialize in complete revenue cycle management, RCM, medical billing and coding, charge entry and audits, denial management and AR follow-ups, compliance, security and HIPAA-aligned processes, scalable solutions for hospitals, clinics, and physician groups. Our approach is built on accuracy, transparency, compliance, and measurable results, helping providers focus on what matters most: patient care.
Our AI RCM platform provides executives and administrators with a real-time, centralized revenue dashboard. At the top, users can filter data by hospital, department, and reporting period, such as the last 30 days, ensuring dynamic, on-demand reporting. There is also an export option to download claims and payment data for further analysis. The dashboard displays 4 primary financial indicators: net revenue, showing current performance along with percentage change compared to the previous period; total billed charges, including trend comparison; accounts receivable balance, indicating outstanding revenue; and total encounters, reflecting patient volume metrics. Each KPI includes performance variance versus the prior period, enabling quick performance assessment. Below, the billed trends versus payment trends chart provides a month-by-month comparison. The blue line represents billed charges, and the green line represents total payments collected. This visual comparison helps leadership identify revenue gaps, collection efficiency, and performance stability over time. The metric type can also be adjusted for different financial views. This dashboard provides real-time financial visibility for operational and strategic decision-making. Now let's move from executive visibility into operational intelligence. Here you are looking at the AR Manager dashboard, where claims are actively reviewed and managed. At the top, managers can search by account number, adjust page size, and switch between view formats. Each claim contains complete financial and clinical context, including primary payer details, payment dates, and patient responsibility. Now focus on this specific claim. The IAR bot has automatically analyzed the remittance response and generated a structured note. The claim is clearly tagged as "No authorization, appeal requested." Within the note, the AI summarizes total charges, payment received, total adjustments, and service line level details. It identifies that all 5 service lines were denied due to missing prior authorization. It even highlights the specific denial code and provides a recommended next action. Verify retro authorization eligibility. Obtain authorization if applicable. Resubmit the claim with updated information. This eliminates manual denial interpretation and reduces processing time significantly. What previously required detailed line-by-line review is now completed instantly by the AI engine. Every action is logged, every note is timestamped, and the claim is automatically routed into the correct work queue for execution. This is where automation meets operational efficiency. Here is where the AR Manager takes operational control. On this screen, you are viewing the complete claim detail for the selected patient. At the top, the system displays total claims in the work queue, total charges, open balance, worked accounts, and non-worked accounts, providing immediate performance visibility. For this work queue, there are 394 total claims, over $3.6 million in total charges, and approximately $884,000 in open balance. Managers can instantly see how many accounts have already been worked and how many still require action. Within the claim detail view, all critical information is centralized on one screen. This includes payer information, financial breakdown, service details, provider information, important dates, and aging in accounts receivable. Everything a specialist needs to take action is available without navigating multiple systems. Now focus on the assignment controls in the upper right corner. With a single click, the AR Manager can assign selected accounts to a specific work queue or directly route them to KandR 360 for processing. There is no need for external spreadsheets or manual coordination. The routing is system-driven and fully logged. This ensures structured workload distribution, accountability, and operational efficiency at scale.
After a claim is worked, the system automatically triggers the AI Quality Audit Agent. This module performs an independent review of the activity completed on the account. Here, you can see the review panel labeled Approved Review Comments. The AI assigns an overall quality score. In this case, the score is marked as good. The system then breaks down the evaluation into structured categories. First, strengths. The AI confirms that documentation was clear and detailed. It recognizes appropriate identification of coordination of benefits. It also confirms that an initial follow-up attempt was made. These are validated actions aligned with workflow standards. Next, areas for improvement. The AI identifies that documentation does not confirm whether the injury was work-related. There was no evidence of provider outreach for clarification, and the next steps for follow-up were not clearly outlined. The system does not just flag issues, it provides recommended next steps. For example, contact the provider's office to verify work-related status. If work-related, obtain workers' compensation details and resubmit. If not work-related, confirm alternate coverage. Update notes with clearly defined next actions. The AI also provides compliance notes and an overall assessment. In this case, the handling appears compliant based on available information, but additional documentation is required to finalize payer determination. Every review is timestamped and logged for transparency. This creates a structured quality control mechanism built directly into the AR workflow. It standardizes review criteria, improves documentation discipline, and supports audit readiness without requiring a separate manual QA team. This is not just task automation. This is automated quality governance within the revenue cycle.
When a claim requires an appeal, the AR Manager simply clicks the Generate Appeal button. The system instantly opens the appeal generation window for that specific claim. Notice that key fields are automatically populated. The appeal type is selected. The date of service is filled. Patient name and medical record number are inserted directly from the claim record. The claim number and hospital information are also autofilled. All of this data is pulled directly from the system database. There is no need for manual re-entry. This automation reduces documentation errors and ensures that every appeal follows a standardized format. Now let's review the appeal reason section. The system begins drafting the appeal narrative automatically. It generates a structured explanation based on the denial reason and claim context. Once complete, the user simply clicks Download DOCX. The appeal letter is generated in a ready-to-submit format. This streamlines the appeals process and significantly reduces preparation time per denial. And finally, this is the performance view designed for managers and executives. This dashboard provides a complete operational snapshot of the accounts receivable portfolio. Here you can see over 70,000 total AR accounts being tracked in the system. The total AR balance currently stands at $233.5 million. Total AR payments collected are $87.5 million. All activity is centralized and continuously updated. Now focus on worked performance. The system shows 9,388 worked accounts, representing $9.7 million in work charges. Managers can drill down by specialist to monitor individual productivity. Every action is logged, every account touched is recorded, and every user's contribution is measurable. Within the specialist work summary table, managers can view daily activity levels. For example, on a single working day, a specialist processed an average of 379 accounts. This level of transparency allows leadership to monitor efficiency, allocate resources effectively, and identify performance trends in real time. This platform does not just track revenue, it provides operational intelligence across every layer of the revenue cycle. From executive oversight to specialist execution, the system delivers visibility, accountability, and measurable performance. Thank you for taking the time to watch our demo. KandR Billing Agency partners with medical billing companies across the United States to strengthen revenue performance. Our HIPAA-compliant processes, secure data handling, and quality-driven coding expertise help reduce denials, improve accuracy, and protect your organization from compliance risk. With structured workflows and measurable results, we help your team recover more revenue, with less operational burden and greater confidence. Schedule your free demo today, and discover what your revenue cycle may be missing.
Thank you for watching. Book a demo today.